Michelle Zoe. So today we'll be doing a deep clean of my entire room. So I'm a little bit nervous only because it's a little messy from Christmas still, but that's all right. We're gonna get it done and it's gonna be great. I have faith in us. So I just want to kind of clean up my entire room so I can have like a fresh start for 2021. And as mentioned before, my room right now is currently pretty messy. So let's just get right into it. So this little area right here is the thing that I want to get and like put away the most right now because it's pretty messy. And I also want to go through these accessories to see what still fits, kind of what I want, what I don't, and that sort of thing. So we're just gonna go into it. Okay, so my sisters are watching a TV show, so you might hear that in the background. But I got all this cute stuff, and these are the scarves that I actually put away. And these are really adorable. I don't know when I'll wear them, but they're really cute. And then I got this pretty bag. Okay, sorry, this is not a haul, but I need to go through all of my stuff. So I thought I was gonna do it before, but now I think I should just like rip it all down. And then I think I'm just gonna go into it and then kind of see what can go where. So this is the next area we will be cleaning up. This is my desk area where I do most of my work, my schoolwork, my editing. And so I'm just gonna kind of like clean it up a little bit because as you can see, it's pretty messy. I'm gonna take away those Christmas lights. So let's just go right into it. And I kind of already cleaned it up, but this will be the next area, so. Hey guys, so I think we're pretty much done. We do have this little back area on my bed right here, and I just keep my stuff, but I think that's pretty much it. So this is the end of the video. However, I think I will do a little video on like decorating my room because I do have some more furniture coming and I'm really excited for that. And I'll show you what my wall kind of looks like and you guys can give me some ideas of what I get put up on there. Right now, this is the wall that I have. I kind of want to put some like pictures of like maybe like Pinterest pictures or something, or like a collage kit or something up there. And then I'm definitely going to put my schedule up there because that's something I need. And then on this side, we have this like cylinder right here. And so I'm going to definitely put a collage kit there. We have my LED lights, which are not really LED lights. And yeah, so yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and tell me what you think about this content in a thumbs up, thumbs down poll. Anyways, love you guys. Bye.